So, my iPhone SE screen has some problems. Let me show you what they are. The first physical damage problem is that, as you can see, the glue is not holding on very well. And also, sometimes in the bottom left corner, it won't register. You see I'm clicking the glow button, but nothing's happening. But I'm clicking the numbers button, still not working. You can see right here it still works. Nothing down here. So, I have to replace my screen, even though it's not cracked. Good thing I bought this genuine eBay iPhone screen. Let's open it. Do you really need a box this big to hold something this small? Whatever, let's open it. Looks perfectly fine. It's not cracked or anything. Let's open it. Hopefully I don't drop this. Okay, I think I got it. It feels legit. So now, let's put this screen on my iPhone SE. Hopefully I can do this correctly. So I'm gonna be using this toolkit that my dad owns. He's a technician. Now, this is my background of my dog. Let's shut you down. And hopefully this isn't the last time it's shut down. Yeah, you can see the display is coming off of the actual frame, which is something that's not good. So that's already one sign that we have to replace the screen. Remember to disconnect the Touch ID cable. And we're in. Now let me get the other screwdriver to take off the screen. Okay, got the display bracket off. Now let's put it to the side and let's disconnect the screen. And it's off. I gotta take the camera and the fingerprint sensor to the actual other screen. So let's do that. Here's the original screen and here's the new screen. Looks pretty similar. Yeah, let's do this now. Shut up, pulse and batteries plus bulbs. I am sure that I want to fix my phone myself. And I got it. The home button. Let's put that aside before I break it. Gotta get the speaker. I just realized I forgot to disconnect the battery, so let's do that in case anything goes wrong. Pry this off. And there. Okay, got it all connected. Hopefully it works. Now let's peel this off. Hold on, first thing I'm noticing is that the home button is not very flush with the screen. I think I put it in too tight. There we go, now it's flush. Let's peel this off. Let's hope I don't screw up. That's one good sign. Yeah, I customized my phone to have a rainbow boot logo. It's not recognizing touch. Did I not put it in correctly? Let's now. Okay, I felt it clicking all the way this time. Let's see if the touchscreen actually works. But I do see a problem. There are a little bit of stripes that might not be good. I think this is an aftermarket 5S screen. The 5S screen is supposed to work on the SE, but it has to be OEM, and I don't think this is OEM. Let's see if it goes away in a few days. So let's just put it back. Okay, screwed it all back in. Now let's shut it. Bottom screws back. Do you see that? That's what happens when you put an iPhone 5S screen into an SE. iFixit.com says an iPhone 5S screen does work on an SE, but the 5S has to be an OEM part. So this is obviously aftermarket. So now I gotta put my original screen back and send it back to them. Ugh. Okay, I got the fingerprint sensor back to the original screen, And now the front-facing camera. Okay, I got the front-facing camera and the fingerprint sensor both onto the original screen. Now to put it back into the actual phone. I just realized I could have just turned on the flash the whole time. But now let's close the screen. And before we close it all the way, let's turn it on to make sure it's still working. There we go, it's on. Now let's see if the touchscreen works. Okay, for a second I thought the vibration wasn't working, but let's close the screen. Okay, just remember, if you have an iPhone SE and you want to replace the screen, don't buy the screen from this seller. Great quality screen protector right here. Yeah, I don't really care. Phone case, phone, whatever this is. Get back in there. Yes, I know I'm putting it on the wrong way, but I don't care, it still works. Look at that. My phone's telling you to subscribe. It's so stereotypical that I can fix my own phone, right? No wonder why a lot of repair shops in America are Vietnamese.